Thank you. Lord, me back. Thank you. Power tap live, my team. Everybody who just joined the live, me a beg on a power tap live. My ladies, them that is alive. When they can beg on a comment in our chat, please and thanks. My ladies that is alive, may I beg you some comments there in our chat, please and thanks. That is it. Say amen. Good Jesus Christ. My ladies, them alive. My ladies, them alive. Amen. That is it. Alive and well. Team. Alright then. A intermission time. So we have to see, we are going to use strategy. We are going to use gloves. We can use gloves. My people, we have gloves in our chat. My people, we have the gloves them. Me are big on a please. We are going to communicate. We can drop 2 gloves a game. Because we can win gloves back. We can drop 2 gloves a game. We are utilize the gloves them in at the last minute. My ladies, if we down behind and you see we drop our gloves, make we try. You say if we not go drop a push kitten, we not send 5 galaxy. You say if we not doubly give them pan it like combo it, you give them well more likely if we hit. Yes, what me I say? If we did it and we not go send a lion pan the gloves, we not send 3 interstellar pan it. Or 6 baby puss. Guess what me I say? That's how we are going to do it. We are going to combo it. Good night from England. Holy love, you know. We can't afford to get no dear. Chat, we want to see them suffer tonight. As what I say, we're going to flush them down the toilet because I spoke with Uncle Cutty line earlier. And from my understanding, he got a really strong team. Because the information that he passed on to me is that he's going to, don't worry myself, he's going to open my head like a jelly. Alright, so to prevent my head to be open like a jelly, we have to work together as a team. You see, today we come out and we get a teamwork. Team, nothing, not be teamwork. When each and one of we can come out and put something, we can tap, we can, cause watch out, me I tell you from now. I forgot to tell you. Me love you so much, me support a team. You share up your life, the please and thanks. Boy, when you share up your life, the for me, the please and thanks. Me love, me support them so much. Me love, me support them so much. Every week, I'm going to do a giveaway. You see what I say? So, I mostly woman support me. Come like only woman support me. So, we are make some pink sweater for them. So, every week, we are going to put my supporter them in it, my top supporter them in it. Everybody can get a chance for going there. And we are going to spin the wheel. You see what I say? We are going to have it we are going to have the wheel in here. We are write them name and we are going to spin the wheel. And anybody land pan, then get a shan, then get a pink sweater. This is how the logo are gonna look, team. This is how the logo are gonna look. Pound 1 pink sweater. Those nice pink sweater, team. Yes, what I say? Cause you know I love my girl. We have to give back to the ladies them. But you see when me stay so woman, me check in a way me a check for see me top gift to them. You know when me also see me team? No. You know when me also see? Me see me top as them too. And I see people were there from 1995 at top. You know how hard it is to stay with your finger? And I want to show me tappers them, so I appreciate them too. So every week, me tappers them who tap the most, cause me can see all on them. So they can come to me and say, me tap, me send enough gift. Me know the 10 or the 15 people them will do it. Here's what me had say. And me appreciate me tappers them. Some of them live at Jamaica, me team. Some of them can recharge. You know, but me love them same way. And them there and for tap, them is a fan of me. And I want to show them some I love them. And you know, have to have money for the over team. I got you. Here's what me I say. You know, have to have $1. You see it? You can dare, you can support my life by tapping, you can support my life by help me catch 2 speed, you can support my life if me beg a donut, you send me one. We have a support for everything. Yes, what me I say? So a week time, so we can do it per Mondays and Fridays. Yes, what me I say? So me gift them, Monday we do the spin, and me tappers them, Friday we do the spin, and me mail out on a shirt or on a sweater, tone. Yes, what me I say? Me mail out on a shirt and a sweater, tone. Clippings, big up yourself in that chat. Yeah. Me love me people and bro, nothing can go wrong that. You see, today, make me know say me have people who have me back. You see, today me there and me sit down and me I think about it. And me I say, no man, you know so them people are really good to me, bro. No, for true. Today me sit down and me I pray, dog. Me I say, yo, you know so them people are really good to me, charging. Me have to give me ladies them something. I have to make them feel good. So everybody are going to get a chance. My top 15 supporter them. We just going to send it out. Every week we're going to get something. We're going to be last on the train. Because some man salt like Hellshire Beach. I'm sorry. But what type of live the chat? Yeah, my team. Loyalty Akeam, man. When I know that already, man, my team. We have to listen to me. You see, I'm showing you something. You see how we do thing over here, so my team. May I be honest with you now. We have to appreciate my ladies, them. If may I be honest, me get one of the most support in a Jamaican TikTok. And if me never do what me I do, me that be so selfish. All of them things. You know some people them support me differently from TikTok. I mean not even talk about financially too. Me I talk about mentally too, bro. Emotionally, bro. You know some people them fully support me. More while when you see me with some bossy tam and some bossy hat over here, me gift to them, buy them, give me, you know. I know me buy them, and me gift to them, support me, give me them. May I be honest with you. Then love see me in my hat and love see me in my tam and them, some of them, bro. And me gift to them, they support me fully in everything me do. And what I'm showing some gold spoon and gold fork, and me gift to them, buy them, they give me too. I never ask them. Then just know me have one little place and me need them sitting there. And they just give me. That's what I say? They call me Akeam, my son, my nephew. Me send Cynthia address. When me look, they send me all some nice crackle plate. Me not. Chat, come here. Me have one plate set and one pot set where my gifter send me. A cooking show in a movie alone, me see them there, you know. Chat. A cooking show alone, me see them there, you know. Chat alone, you can't cook, you can't burn up nothing in them the pot there. No, for real, you know. All when you can't cook, you can't burn up nothing in them the pot there. Me say you see my supporter them no ramp with them. Me say they give me one pot. Me say people a two away of a whole pot. And the pot small so the pot no big and so. And no big soup pot. So a virtual I go on with. Virtual. Can't accept you know, my bro. Me I play one match. Circle. Father, me have one series 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. So me I go circle. Well, I know, me couldn't decline you because you don't know you're my dad. Alright, my bro. Easy no man, my bro. Yeah, me team. Thank you, my team, sexy day. Big up. Chat. I only movie me see them there, you know. Me no really cook or blend, you know. Me no really cook or blend. And chat, me have blender, me have toaster, me have pressure cooker, me have juicer, me have... What do y'all wanna me gift to send me one big old trampoline? I send them me back. Me say you think me a pick me? Me not ask them feet, me just day near the fan. So them things say me love jump. Yes what me I say? All me do me day near and stay so. So them things say me love jump. I said me send them back in trampoline. Yes, them too kind man. I only set up people and never see give people pan their birthday. Oh, you feel it? Go fuck that! Yo! Chat, power tap the life them team. It's gonna be intense.
Chat, me not smoke. Chat!
Chat, power tap the life!
Somebody must see
Yo, Cutty! Yo, we don't plan this, you know? Chat, why you know we don't plan this, my youth? You know you are a waste man, Cutty! Yo!
Chat!
Yo!
I need help with that night. Chat.
Yo, Cutty, listen to me.
Yeah, hear you.
Yeah, hear what me I say, my dog.
Yeah, listen, chat. Clad.
You know, marry the woman in a little boy. You know, look clean in your suit, you know. You look like... Yo, you look like what? You look like all one of my brother them where them the name and I would not get. When I best man them. You don't look like your official husband, my youth. Charge, watch your style.
Dog! Mad dog! You think no, at 10 o'clock we are stop. Me sorry, Shana. She up live there and tell him so we win. Cause me remember saying me think I did blood clot 9 o'clock at 10 o'clock and now everybody has said they think at 9 o'clock and then everybody has said 10 o'clock. We can play till tomorrow. Chat, help, murder, share live. Tell them we're ready.
Power tap life.
Chat, power tap, share live for me there.
Everybody, me I beg on a power tap life, repost live and share live. Power tap live, power tap live and share live. Power tap live and share live, my team. Power tap live and share live.
I dear game, you know, chat, and it's your serious business, you know. Chat, I don't care.
Power tap live and share live, my team. Please,
this man with me grandma, you know. Chat, you can't make this man win me till 10:30. That all look like say we not win a worthy. You see me I say chat? That all look like we not worthy chat. So hear me I say team, share out the live there, please. Share out the live, tell the granny, tell the friends.
Team, remember our plan?
Chat, tell the granny, tell the friends, so we ready chat.
Team, remember our plan?
Eh? Plan?
Plan! Team!
Chat, yeah, we're gonna
Team, remember when we used to wear tongues, sir?
Chat, we're gonna make a plan, chat. This we plan.
Cutty,
Yeah?
they used to be when I used to put
Yeah,
it on them, so you're wasting them time.
We did poo to that. Chat, poet up, chat.
Kill with that, we do up team. I don't know for the girl that used to be
like
them
chat.
dance.
See. Well, alright. I see two of my people, I'm scrolling now in a chat card. I dare game in a chat, on a share up live chat, and same thing. Please chat, on a share up live. My side, you ready, bro?
My youth, you me wait one for lose, my youth.
See, me think I did every one of
I
my
have
people.
my first game, you know.
Bro, I tell all of my people, I'm 10 o'clock in and see them.
Yo, you know I'm rate with that youth, yeah, bro. Hold on, before we start the game. You like, you're a cologne person, though.
Yeah.
Why dearest cologne you have in your collection? Or why night one nicest cologne?
The nicest cologne, the nicest cologne I have right now, that one. That one nice.
Alright, keep the buckle in here. Hold on, keep the buckle in here. Hold on, man. Easy, no, keep the buckle in here.
I'm not spread my
Yo. Watch out now, keep the buckle in here, my dog. Not to worry. So when we win that game, yeah. Go just done the whole buckle for yourself, my dog. Cause you want clean you, you know. That respect for you, you know. You love smell good for your ladies. Them. And that me rate today. You see, you want real youth, you know. And that's why I have respect you, you know, dog.
Alright, see, cologne.
Empty buckle for your next going to win that game. You come in, team. Power tap your life.
Team, share up your life, team. Share up your life, team. Oh, we forward, chat. You just continue share your life. Tap your screen now, Mr. Jesus. Yes, I say, cut up style now, we don't move.
Team, power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life. Power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life. Power tap your life, power tap your life.
No, my side no more.
Power tap your life, power tap your life.
Tap your screen, please. Tap your screen. Please.
Power tap your life, the team. Power tap your life. Alright,
nobody can start the game, chat cheaper.
See first triple in my team. Come in, my team. Come in, my team. Come in. First triple, my team. First triple.
Chat, believe, chat.
First triple, my team. First triple. First triple.
Triple, my side.
First triple. First triple.
Don't know triple.
First triple.
Chat, triple.
First triple. First triple. First triple, my team.
Chat, triple.
Team, I want to watch that people. She's royal. Yes. Alright then, freeze up your
chat. Alright, team, tap your screen, chat, please. Team, share it live and tell them so we ready, chat. Dear game start.
Miss Iber, thank you. Share up your live and repost your live, my team.
Chat,
tell them so we're ready like a
friend. Team, chat, a dear game, chat.
Tell them so we're ready.
Together we can win tonight, you know, chat. Please, no.
Team, power tap your life, power tap your life. Farah, big up yourself in a bad sis.
Chat,
power tap your life, my team. Power tap your life, the power tap your life.
Power tap, chat, power tap,
power tap your life, the team.
Chat, power tap, chat. Shanika, big up. Everybody will chat. Uno go and make uno for rose now. Uno wait for we now.
Hold on, wait for the triple. Wait for the triple, my team. Wait for the triple. We are begging us some rose and tops.
Wait for we now, I know move.
We are begging us some rose and tops.
We can't get some rose.
How they are wait, man, bro?
Chat, we can't get some rose.
Be alright then, see roses them, the power tap your life. Shanjourney, holy pal of it.
Inside me attack.
Yeah, man. Power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life.
We can't get 2 roses.
Power tap your life and begging us some roses. Power tap your life and begging us some roses.
See roses.
Power tap your life and begging us some roses.
That is it, you know. Rose chat, thank you, CC.
Chat, no way speed I go on with.
Chat, we can't get some rose. 105 million away over here, you know. Chat,
away speed I go on with chat. Power tap your life.
TikTok, where's speed? Where the blood clot? TikTok, I try to hold me down. You can set up for me. TikTok, speed challenge. Thank you. Speed, TikTok, where is the speed?
Team, TikTok, when I do the speed. Jesus Christ.
Alright, chat. Shana. Shana and I chat. Team, we can play one glove chat.
Team, alright then. Let me see who have miss in I chat.
Team, tap the screen chat, please and thank you.
Let me see who have a miss. Let me see who have a miss.
My side, tap the screen for me, please and thanks in Jesus' name.
Let me see who have a miss. Let me see who have a miss.
My side, I want 199.
When you go check, and let me see who have a miss.
Chat, nobody in here have no gloves. Anybody in here have a glove? See me. Chat,
check and see who have a miss, my team.
Nobody in here
check
have a
and see who have a miss, my team. Alright then, T, God bless. You drop the miss in a 30 second. The 20 second.
Chat.
20 seconds, 20
No,
seconds.
no.
20 seconds, 20 seconds.
30 seconds, me say. Tamara, thank you. Chat, use a gloves, yeah. Use a gloves, yeah, chat.
Two gloves them.
Chat, use a gloves after me, no chat,
gloves
please.
them, chat. Locked
Yeah,
in.
use the gloves, use the gloves, use the gloves, use the gloves, use the gloves. My side, use the gloves. So, mate, thank you. Use the gloves, my side. Use the gloves, use the gloves.
We are drop,
Use the gloves, chat.
We are dropping gloves in two gloves. Who
Who
are dropping gloves?
Nobody can
Who are
put
dropping
gloves. Yes, yeah.
Who are dropping gloves? Who
Oh,
are dropping
mate.
gloves? Who are dropping gloves?
Chat.
Who dropped them?
Monica, thank you. We don't have no more gloves.
30 second
Give one for the
princess,
30
man.
second chat, please.
30
We don't have no more
second,
gloves.
man. January, 30
My dear game, me no
second.
chat. You no help me no,
Alright
please.
then.
Chat a
Drop
dear
one of your
game, me
gloves
no.
in favor.
Chat, you don't have no more gloves. 30 second. Just answer no.
It's okay. Drop
Let
one
me
of your
know.
gloves then.
Yeah, alright. 30 seconds. Just let me know. Don't wait for me to tell you when to drop the gloves on my side. Drop the gloves, so chat. Please. Don't make me tell you when to drop it so we can strategize or we get use the gloves there. You see me chat? Team, you see the last gloves that everybody can play for me, please.
Click on the gloves and shoot.
Chat, play the gloves that for me. The gloves, yeah.
SP Ghost.
Tamara.
SP
Alright,
Ghost, thank
gloves,
you.
chat.
She's right. Thank you. Click on the gloves and shoot.
For me, please.
Click on the gloves and shoot. Click on the gloves and shoot. Money G, thank you. Click on the gloves and shoot. Click on the gloves and shoot. Farah.
Guys, we can't use the gloves, guys. Chat, nobody can use the gloves.
T, God bless. Thank you. Come in, snipe. Maki, Wally, Palo, for the team snipe. Team snipe. Them a come. Snipe!
Snipe again! No, it's the glove!
Yes!
Bombo
Yes! Your blood clot, you Missy Bird. Thank you.
It's the glove. CC, thank you, soulmate! Bombo clot. Chat, thank you, chat. Jesus Christ.
You! Mama, tricky mommy, big
I don't want you to feel in, bro.
Yeah, no, she's royal.
If you done
T,
it.
God bless. Miss Ebert. Twiggy. Holy Palovin, Maki. Money J. SP, Ghost. Shan Journey. Holy Palovin, favor. Everybody who come out can support the life. Big up on yourself, you know. Come in, man.
My best perfume, you know. My best perfume. Look at. Alright, see that? You know.
Yeah, man. Done him, man, bro, man.
Don't know. See that? Alright. Yes, me myself. Chat, power tap. Team, we lose the first game. Soulmate, thank you so much. CC, thank you. Everybody, team, we can't share up the live chat and tell them say their game start chat. Because it's who get me rough, you know, and them will soon start telling me say if you jump off a roof and sit, you know. Chat.
Come in, power tap your life, the power tap your life.
We lose it, team.
Power tap your life, the power tap your life. Holy Palof, you know, my team.
Come here, my side.
Make
Use
we
the
lock
first double chat, because we no must get a next one chat. That beat we, you know. Use the first triple team.
Power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life.
Use the first triple.
Power tap your life, power tap your life.
Use the first triple chat, please.
Power tap your life, my team.
Humble clad.
Power
Chat,
tap
use
your
the
life,
first
power
triple.
tap
Use the
your
first
life,
triple
my
chat. Team, we can't use the first triple team.
Power tap your life, the power tap your life, the team.
That we can't use the first triple.
See first triple.
That we can't
See
use the
first
first
triple. We
triple.
don't know if we are getting the
Thank
next
you.
speed, you know.
That first
My Sheila, we don't know if we are getting the next speed, you know. Team, they not no money over there. We not worry about them, you know.
Oh, man.
Team, use up the first
Thank
triple.
you.
Use up the first triple there. Money G.
Use the triple
Use up
team.
the
Use
first
the
triple
triple
there,
team.
team. Use up the first triple
Use
there.
the triple team,
That's
please.
so nice. Thank you. Use up the first triple there.
Snipe it,
Use up.
Snipe it, triple chat.
Use Marie, thank you.
Snipe it, triple chat.
Use
Snipe
up the
it, triple
first triple.
chat.
We don't know if we can get no next one. Team, she's royal. Woo!
Team, come on, team. Team, we can't play a team. Come on, my side. Help team. Come on, team. Team, reach out to me to my side. Please, me a beg on the team. Murder.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog, I'm taking it off. Now we got ears and backwards.
Everybody, we can't work together on a chip player. Team, we can't beg on work together on a chip player. Team, please, we need help.
Power tap your life, them team.
Thank you, big up. Chat a dear game, chat. Can you help me in the chat? Please, 9 person with a rose. We have 200 people in the chat.
One rose,
please. Everybody can drop a rose, say me please, chat. Me a beg no. Shenika, thank you. Come on, chat. You earlier would drop a rose, better. You earlier would drop a rose, better, chat.
One rose. Yo, bro.
Chat, nobody got a rose, chat. Come on, no team. Team, roses, chat. Roses, me side. Roses. Come on, chat. 4 more person. 4 different person.
Locked in,
4 different person. 3 different person, chat. Come on, me side. 2 different person. 3 different person. 3 different person, chat. 3 different person. 3 different people, dog. Booklet, chat. 3 different people. 3 different people.
Locked in. Use that triple A.
Use that triple A, somebody, please.
Use that triple A.
Somebody can use that triple A for me.
Use that triple A.
Use that triple A for me, there, chat. Please. Nobody now no wake up call. Nobody now no wake up call, chat. Nobody now no wake up call, me side. Nobody now no wake up call for the triple chat.
God bless, thank you. Use that triple A. Use the triple. Rosemary, thank you. Use the triple. Them a come.
Nobody can help, chat. Nobody can help.
SP goes, thank you.
Nobody can help for the triple.
Use the triple. Not so nice, thank you. Use the triple for a whole heap of love, you know.
Yeah, triple team.
Use the triple.
Triple my side.
SP goes, whole heap of love, you know. Use the triple. T, God bless. Thank you, Princess. Charmian, whole heap of love, you know.
Team, believe me, side. So, man, thank you so much. My side, we can't stop the screen chat, please. Stop it.
Yo, bro.
Yo.
What you know? You know me rate, you know. I gotta tell you a sauce, you know. Cause you don't believe in me. And me as a man, bro, you have to understand with me. In a life, me not selfish, bro. I me not keep a thing to myself. You see it? Click my bubble for a minute, bro. Just click my bubble. Me just show you.
Christ, chat, help.
And when you look, I'm going to name them out for you. You have Rosemary, you have T, God bless, you have Maki, SP, Ghost, She is Royal, Venice, Moni G, Charmian. You get what me I say? They're all females. And I know you don't like the same pleasure over your life. My sauce is, me white out for you girl. So, me nah go left you stranded, bro. Me I go give you a remedy. See, I go in your kitchen, you go get a bag of flour, and you go white out yourself, my dog. Cause me no gatekeep round you.
Dad, please.
You understand, my dog?
Help.
You go in your kitchen, and you go white out yourself. You come back with the flour, and you go white out yourself, my dog. Thank me later. Power tap your live the chat.
Team, me stay up live no chat. Chat to the stay up live no please. Stay up live no please, chat.
Hot dog, taking it off. Now we got ears and backwards ears. Hot dog, that's trouble solved. Hot dog, taking it off. Come on, you're alone, girl.
Me here too. Me here in I. Me here too.
Hey, man, bro, man. You want to, man. You have to catch a full sauce. A full sauce, my dog. Yo, no. Yeah, man, we have to see what go on, man. You're rubbing him, man. Yeah, man, bro. You can't look like Pinhead, though. Yes, you can't have white face and black neck.
Yeah, man.
Watch ya. Look how you go put up. You see 19K up there, so you bet say you put up more since me gave you sauce.
Chad, come on, Chad. Oh, yeah, Chad. Chat, use the first triple chat, please. Chat, use the first. Chat, tap the key. Use the first double chat. Use the first double chat.
Team, Cocolactine, cocolactine, cocolactine.
Chat, use the first double for me now, please. Chat, share it live now. Chat, double.
Come here, my team.
My side, use the double for me now, please, my side.
Use up the double. Click on the gloves and shoot, team. Click on the gloves and shoot, chat. Click on the gloves and shoot, my team. Go try drop something upon the gloves. Try drop something upon the gloves, my team. Drop something upon the gloves. Money, thank you. Drop something upon the gloves, my team. Rosemary, thank you. Drop something upon the gloves, my team. Drop something upon the gloves. Farah, holy love, you know. Thank you, my team. T, God bless, holy love, you know. Princess, holy love, you know. Marshila, holy love, you know. Power tap your life there. Nene B. Yo, bro. Now worry your head, man. I hold it more than man, bro, man. Me I gonna make sure that next match, yeah, you resemble somebody with afraid of me. When you see me forward by your screen, is what me I say? Yeah. I told you, bro. When me I get the deer, them I got reason you and I deer them. I got reason you don't to deer them and why me I get the deer them. I told you, bro.
They're gonna sound rude.
Listen, I told you, bro. And you know I'm a virgin and the last girl me asked boy yo.
Chat, Rose is team.
Roses. Power tap your life. Roses team. Make we get
please, please,
Roses make we get a speed.
Come on, Miss Ed. Roses make we get a speed, chat. Everybody come boy Rose them chat, please.
Power tap your life and Roses make we get a speed.
Come boy Rose them chat, please.
Roses make we get a speed. The real Treddy.
TikTok really and
pick up yourself, you know.
You hold me dog in the night at TikTok.
You know TikTok, you can't do it so TikTok. TikTok beg your speed TikTok. TikTok beg your speed TikTok. Power tap your life. Come in, my team. Locked in. Locked in.
It's out of blow already, dog. We can't get no speed, bro. Team, you know about the team. Tamara, you have gloves, Tamara? Man side, just believe in me, no man chat, no cheat live and tap the screen, no chat.
Damn.
Believe no Tamara, you have more gloves.
We like the team, we're gonna ask for your gloves.
Team, share it live, alright. Team, share it live, team, please. Team, everybody can work together for one gloves.
Power tap your life, team.
Team, we can work together for one gloves, chat, please.
Alright then, sister, I say for that.
Oh,
I have one more miss, team.
Team, we need some help, chat. I look like say I can't hold now, we are going to take this. Last time I was sweet, yo. Chat, forward, chat.
You want to say you look very you look like one of them panda beard, man.
My side, help me on my side. Jesus Christ, man. Team, help. Last time, I'll get mute if you keep on spam my comment section, you know. Please, don't have to spam. Please, this is y'all happy funny. Hey. Chat, come in, help.
Hold on. Yo, may I be honest with you, bro. You see, last time I asked a girl, boy, yo. Them said, them the bande, a wicked man. I want to look a thief. Him used to make people wet up themselves. Yes, what me I say? So, when them see him, them piss up themselves. Them piss up themselves. So you see, we are going to make you feel the same way our people them feel. That's what me I say. Say in the next game, piss up yourself.
Chat, hey.
Rosemary, thank you. Next game, bro. Why you piece of yourself, team? Snipe.
One pull.
Snipe, team, snipe. That is it.
But we can't.
Alright, I draw me and make team. You see water we have in your hand? Yeah, man, you're going to throw it for your pants front like a piece of yourself.
That me don't do. That things that me don't do. That me don't do.
Yo, you hold your pants front, brother. Like you piece up yourself, yeah. When people come in your life, who not there on your life now, they think you piece up yourself. So, okay, yeah, man. And on the footpath, there's some man, bro, man. Yeah, man, that is it. Power up your life, my team. Yeah, man, you have to free that way, man. That is it. Power up your life.
Chat, please. Be a big look at the crowd.
Yo, Rosemary, Sasha T, God bless. Money G, Tredy, thank you. Power tap your line, let me tell you. 1 mil tap so quick. Thank you. 1 mil tap so quick. Somebody in that chat said I'm trying to make him catch you.
Chat, triple. Chat, nobody at all help, bro.
Yo, thank you.
Nobody.
Yo, Rosemary, thank you. Come in, my team. Come in. Miss Ebert, Wally, Palov, you know.
Chat,
Come
nobody
in,
can put some funny first trip with that.
Venice, thank you.
Nobody
team,
can put some
work
funny first
together.
trip with
Miss
that.
Ebert, thank you, you know. Come in, team. Make a work together. Make a work together. Miss Tredy, Wally, Palov, you know. Maki, thank you. Maki, Wally, Palov, you know. Fire! Gracias. T, God bless on the whole on the guns team, all on the guns team, all on the guns and wait for the triple swan. Holy heap of love in our team. All on the guns and wait for the triple. I'm glad you know him see next triple, you know, watch him face. Kill him dead, you know, you know. Your people are broke like a buckle over there. Your people are broke like a buckle over there. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. I can't lick you till you're sick.
Chat, no chat.
Come in, team. Come in, team.
Nobody. Team, everybody drop a rose shot. Please, drop a rose shot. Please. Come on, team. Everybody drop a rose. We just need 5 people with a rose. Roses. I must have 200 people in our chat. We no beg you some rose now, please.
Team, me I wonder where brown and white mix. Which color that mix? Like if you mix flour and brown in. Me I wonder what kind of mix. Which color you get for that team? Me don't know, team.
So we can't get one rose.
I just one way to find out.
Please.
One way to find out, my team.
We can't get one rose, please. One rose. One rose. One flowers. One flower. Jesus Christ.
In team, me don't know. Me go find out.
Please. Thank you, no chat. Appreciate it, chat. That use the triple for me now, please. That use the triple for me now, please.
Thank you. Triple Father, thank you. Use that triple. Rosemary, thank you. Not so nice, thank you. Money G, Wally, Palov. Double T, thank you. Use that triple, team. Use that triple. Teamwork made the dream work. Twiggy, Wally, Palov, you know. Teamwork made the dream work. T, God bless, thank you. Come in, my team. Use that. Precious right there. T, God bless, thank you. Why, Cutty? Gorgeous, thank you. Charmian, thank you. You care with Cutty, Money G, thank you. We say we are going to lick you till you're sick over here. Pour it up your life, my team. Pour it up your life, my team. All of my ladies, they will be going to some power up there in the screen there. Please, thank you again.
Jesus Christ.
Thank you again. Thank you again. Thank you.
Why do you never murder me?
Tredy, big up, you know.
Murder you.
Bro.
Your neighbors have see me can run down the back. Chat, we can't do something, chat, please. Like, look how much out there, chat. We can't help, please.
Yo, coffee brown in my boss. Don't try
Again, not done
close.
yet. Again, not done yet. Chat, believe, chat. Nobody can
Now
snipe
your
me.
people them not no money, my youth.
Chat, I make him and do stuff till 10:30. Half an hour already, you know.
Power tap like the big team.
I win, we are going to win.
I say me go look for him for again.
Chat, I win, we are going to win. Chat, somebody can't give me one snipe. Nobody
Team, when did I
can
start
help
doing
me. Two
that?
lions can't snipe him, you know. Team, we can't. Jesus.
Team, where is Sunday or wherever I play?
Go for you, running now, man. I know that.
The road, yeah. Yeah, me find it a while ago. Power tap like them team. I can't win. You see, we not even for job nothing. Double T, Rosemary, T, God bless, Miss Ebert, Twiggy, Maki, Venice, Treddy. And what's up? People can support me, you know. Money G, Wooly, Palovino, Gorgeous, Rosemary, Champagne, everybody, Miss Ebert, everybody who can support me. Wooly, Palovino, thank you. Yo!
Good day.
Hold on, me I tell you. Hold on. Hold on, no man.
Say dog, me say me want Kitty say me say dog, just make me say Father God, if you listen me tonight, don't send, don't chat, don't me say, hey, Father God, if you are listen me tonight, me say, hey, when me win a match over this bomb,
Find it, book it, make it yours. Booking.com, booking.yeah.
Come here.
Are you still without electricity
Oh, I
after
thought we
Hurricane
liked it.
Melissa? Keep your lights, fridge, washing machine, and all your 110 volt outlets running.
Bleaching cream. Bleaching cream. In the maglow for me belly. Y'all them a outside remedy. Give the Shivani.
Oi, mama!
Here a blood clot energy. Rub on me bleaching cream.
Y'all want suck on my bleaching cream. Suck off my penis clean.
She have a man, she not no feeling deep. When go for lender, the feelings cheap. M5B and V6 speed. Rub on me bleaching cream. Rub on me bleaching cream. White like milk powder. Michael Jackson, King Cola. Well, I St. James, every Kingstonian. No bleaching, never kill no one.
So we are going tonight. So we are going tonight, sir.
You're not the thief and important. Less than 3 weeks in total. Why? Bleaching, cleaning up pitch patch.
Hold on there. Bro, your bleaching look pitch patch. So me see Cutty and me say you start bleach. Here Cutty now. Yo bro, we do what? Me say me know bro, cause you pitch patch. Cutty say you born brown. Me say no, Cutty did black. Cutty say Akeam you born brown. Me say no, Cutty did black. Power up in life.
So we are going tonight, chat. We need not fight.
Power up in life, let me team.
So we are going tonight.
Power up in life, let me. Power up in life, let me team. Power up in life there.
That's our going team. So we're gonna try
Yo.
use the triple chat.
Triple. Use a triple.
Use the triple now.
Use a triple team. Missy Bird, thank you. Use the triple. Rosemary, thank you. Use the triple. Them broke like what team? They can't come back from this. Marshilla, thank you. Use the triple, my team. Miss Ebert, thank you. Use the triple, my team. Use the triple. Sue and Wally Palovino. Precious! Double T! Woo! Shani and whole heap of love, you know. Money G, whole heap of love, you know. Alright, thank you.
I phone a rope tonight. No.
Nikki, thank you. Whole heap of love, my team. Power Tap Your Life, Power Tap Your Life, my team. Happy Friday night. Team, come in, call locked in, my team. Make we locked in, my team. Power Tap Your Life, my team. Power Tap Your Life, make we locked in, my team. Make we locked in, my team. Make we
Take me
locked
some
in.
rose, not chat. Roses, help! Keep like a blood clot, like what you people in chat. Me a beg for rose, dog. Look at rose, me a beg for try win a match, dog, and the people in there would need to send a rose, dog.
Locked in, team.
Dog. Chat, use a chip player for me, not chat. We can't get 2 jet, 2 puss kitten. Chat, 2 jet, 2 puss kitten. Roll go back up there, say no chat. Team, help, please, please. Me a beg or no. Help, help,
Use up that chip, Use up that chip, Use up that chip,
please, team. Somebody, anybody.
Rosemary, thank you.
Tripper.
Rose up that chip, use up that chip,
Tripper.
Miss Iber, thank you. Use up. Woo!
Tripper.
Precious! Marky!
I don't see no farmer movement going over here, sir. No movement now.
Gorgeous, thank you.
Nobody at all.
Money G, Wally Palof, you know. Come in, my team. I call locked in. The lady last, thank you. Use up that triple of my team. Use up that triple of my team.
Dog, nothing. Somebody be try to with dog.
Sexy Changi. Thank you. So on. Wally Palof. That is it in my team. Hold on, team. I'm not lie. I feel sorry for Cutty. We are going to help him out right now. That's what I say. Well, he might go help out himself. Because we are going to make him take his phone, guy in gateway, and just a ball out. Help! 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 Till the match done. You know, we have to give him some help. We have to show him a way, you know. It's like a bleaching never work out for him, you know, lie. You see, me give him back a black face, it still no work out for him, so me gonna make him call upon him people, and me a help him out, man, chat. Me a help him out, no worry in your head, man. Me is a good friend, you know. One thing you can count upon me, charge. You see what me say? You know, can count upon me if you ever look out for me, dog.
Jesus Christ, shot.
Power Tap Your Life, my team. Power Tap Your Life, my team. Power Tap Your Life. Power Tap Your Life, my team. Power Tap.
Chat.
From morning, we are whopping for 3 now. In people, Cutty people, them don't make one. From morning, we are whopping, and them cannot do nothing about it. Abe. Hey, that's not nice.
You can't snipe.
Abe, we are win Cutty, and him can't do nothing about it. Him people them have to just day night chat and watch him a lose. Hello, that is not nice in a team.